What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we're gonna be teaching you how to make money in a animal company. Watch. This is totally made money without a VPN. So if you want to make money
look at my money.
this
is with VPN.
without a VPN. Yeah, that's with VPN. This is without VPN. You're still gonna make a lot of money. So what you want to do? This is what you want to do. Wait, so you want to come over here? You want to buy a bag, buy a normal bag, or a big bag, and I want you to put 5 broccolis in there, 2 piñata bashers, 1, 2, and 1 or 2 fully reloaded revolver.
Yeah.
And after that, you want to grab 2 rockets and go to forest.
Let me get a grappling hook first.
Oh, we need that first. Alright. So once you're already at forest, what you want to do is try to kill ogre first, because then you die. So this is where you use your revolver on him. Like that. And then you want to grab your 2 piñata bashers, and you want to grab 3 broccolis. You want to eat 3 broccolis.
Alright. And then kill the big piñata basher. A big piñata. What I recommend is to get on his and bam! Look at all the nuts you have.
Yeah, let me kill Mimic. Can I kill Mimic?
You also get 2 blue crates. These aren't rare anymore, so look, I just got an RPG. Hey.
So this is just one of the 10. Then we're right now. I'm gonna show you the 9. I hope you like this video, and subscribe to YouTube to Nuggets VR Shorts. Peace.